Hola, profesores. David el Profe here, and here I'm just going to walk you through the conversational Spanish evaluation I do whenever I get a new student that is interested in working with me. So this is what it looks like. This is the document that you're going to get. The first couple of pages are really just dedicated to the instructions on how to use this, and I'm just going to walk you through that all on this video right now. So because I do conversational Spanish, I am interested in students' ability to understand me and to produce grammatically correct sentences in their level of fluency. So I take them through this series of questions whenever I get a new student. You can see on the right that there is a ranking system. So 0 means that they really didn't understand me and weren't able to produce any kind of intelligible answer at all. 1 means they might understand the question, but they weren't able to produce a grammatically correct response. 2 means that they produced a good enough answer. Perhaps there's a preposition that's missing or something like that, so it's not 100% correct grammatically, but I figure that most native Spanish speakers would understand what they're trying to communicate with their answer. 3 means that they understood me and they produced a perfectly complete, grammatically correct sentence in their response. We start off with really easy questions in the simple present tense, and little by little we start adding complexity. These correspond to all the different levels of Spanish that we teach here at the language school. And by the end of the evaluation, we tally up their results, and depending on what the total number that they got from these rankings, we're going to place them into the right level. I have found that this is typically a very quick evaluation. Most students take less than 5 minutes to go through it. If we go through all of the questions, maybe it takes 10 or 15 minutes, but it's really quick and it's really accurate. Students can't guess their way through this, and it's just a really great way to see what level students go into. So check it out. It's available on Teachers Pay Teachers. It goes with all of our levels, so it's a great way to place your students into the correct level. So no more mixed levels once we start doing this test the right way.